Have you ever wondered what the cloud is and how it works? Let's break it down. The cloud is not a physical entity, rather it's a huge network of remote servers around the globe, all linked together to function as one ecosystem. These servers are designed to store and manage data, run applications, or deliver services such as streaming videos, webmail, and social networking services. So, in essence, the cloud is the internet. And when something is in the cloud, it means it's stored on internet servers instead of your computer's hard drive. Now that you know what the cloud is, you might wonder, how does it work? Well, let's break it down. When you upload a file to the cloud, it's like tucking it away from your computer into this invisible storage locker in the sky. That file is now accessible from any computer, any gadget, anywhere in the world, as long as it's connected to the internet. The best part? If you make changes to that file on one device, the cloud is clever enough to update the file on all your devices. It's like having a personal assistant who's always in sync with you. Now let's talk about the 3 types of cloud services. First up, Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS. Think of it as the basic building blocks of cloud computing. It provides the network, servers, and storage, essentially the backbone of the cloud. Next is Platform as a Service, or PaaS. This includes everything in IaaS, but also adds tools for developers to build, test, and deploy applications. It's like a playground for coders. Last but not least, we have Software as a Service, or SaaS. This is where you use an app over the internet, like when you stream your favorite show or use a productivity tool. The software and its associated data are hosted in the cloud. So whether you're storing photos, working on documents, or streaming your favorite show, remember you're using the cloud. It's the invisible yet essential part of our digital lives that lets us access our data anytime, anywhere.